Congratulations on your new Ring alarm system. Here are 3 important things to remember. First, make sure everyone at your location knows how to arm and disarm your Ring alarm, and that the correct mode is always used. Use home mode when you want to secure your home or business while you're there. This will provide perimeter security but allow you to move freely indoors. Use away mode when no one is at your home or business and you need to secure it inside and out. Use disarm mode when you're around expecting visitors or want to open doors and windows. To switch modes, enter your 4-digit access code on the keypad and then press the mode button. You can also open the Ring app and tap any mode. Number 2. Know what happens after your Ring alarm goes off. If you are self-monitored, when your Ring alarm detects a security issue, such as a break-in, the siren will sound. Push notifications and email alerts will be immediately sent to you and your shared users. If you have assisted monitoring, you and your trusted emergency contacts will also receive a call. Your Ring alarm has lots of unique features that can be accessed within the app. You can learn more about them at ring.com/help. And finally, number 3, customizing your Ring alarm. There are lots of ways that you can customize your Ring alarm. These include creating shared and guest users, adding time to entry and exit delays, changing which sensors are armed in home and away modes, customizing sensor chirp tones, setting preferences for app push notifications and email alerts, and adjusting your motion detector sensitivity settings, especially if you have pets. Customizing your Ring alarm is the best way to keep your home or business secure and reduces the risk of false alarms. To learn more about using and customizing your Ring alarm, visit ring.com/help.